So next point is very interesting. Clothing worn by majority of the people. Okay, so as we learned in the Rambam in other halachas, so we go by normancy. So some people abnormal say no, I like it, so you can like whatever you want, but we go by normancy. And it says, even the article is normally worn as a garment by only minority of the people, it is considered garment for all people, and anybody may wear its outdoor on Shabbos. So that's a big discount, right? That's a big favor. As a rule, a garment for one, there is a rule. A garment for one person is garment for all people. But we will say, for example, some kind of professional, like a doctor, right? So doctor does not wear his doctor's coat to protect from elements or for a modesty. It's not, right? So he has clothing under that, right? Or not to protect him, right? So, but we'll see. Right, rule as a garment, as a person, right? So for all of the people, but we say like a group of people at least. The Shulchan Aruch Orach Chaim 30125 provides following example to illustrate this rule. Okay, in types of old, shepherds would wear sackcloth for a protection from rain, right? So they did not have the special like garments. So sackcloth. I'm not sure 100% sackcloth like taking a sack and put it over their head, because a sack is double, right? So it's more protective, or just material itself from the rain. Okay, so for protection of the rain. In my mind, since the holes are huge there, so like I would say maybe double at least, or triple, quadruple. You have to, right? Since the sackcloth was considered garment for the shepherds, it was also considered garments for all people. So that's a very good example. This example is not applicable nowadays, since in our times nobody wears sackcloth and it cannot be considered garment at all. So that's very interesting example, right? So on one hand, in those times, even though sackcloth was not worn by other people, but only by the shepherds, so it was considered garment. Since today nobody wears it, so it's not garment. Let us therefore provide an example that is currently relevant. It is permitted for a layman to wear doctor's white jacket outdoors on Shabbos, even though the laymen generally do not wear such a jacket, right? So a kittel that we pray in, it looks like this doctor's jacket, but it's a little different. So how different? I'm not sure how is it different. Actually, it's very similar. I would say it's very similar. But the kittel, this white kittel that we wear, what's the difference? The difference is that it's article for that is designated for prayers. So in kittel you cannot go to the restroom, so right, because that's the only occasion that we wear on the Pesach and on Yom Kippur. Rosh Hashanah, some like Chazan would also wear on the different days, holidays. Okay. So in this case, layman, so simple person, has nothing to do with the doctors, so he can wear this white jacket, right? The doctor's jacket on like outside on Shabbos. Since the jacket is considered garment for doctors, it is considered garments for all. It goes without saying that one who normally wears a short jacket may wear a long frock, and vice versa. So short jacket, like I wear short jacket, right? and a long jacket is like more like some Hasidim wear like this long jacket. Okay. Right, so meaning since people wear like this and like this, so if you want to change during the Shabbos, there is no problem. Okay, frock, they call it frock, and vice versa. Having defined which items are considered clothing, let us turn attention to limitation of this definition and articles that are not in category of clothing. Right, so meaning clothing again that majority of the people would wear, and even minority of the people.